Right. By now everyone should know how the show works. And what we're going to do a bit of a sound test to see how awake everyone is out there today. So after 3, if we can make some noise, 1, 2, 3! Have some WD-40 to clean and protect your mic. I'm loving the noise so far. Alright, so we're just about there, we're ready to kick off the show. And the first person I want to introduce you to, ladies and gentlemen, is a 4-time British champion, a world record holder, and even a world champion. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Martin Ashton! Martin is a world-renowned trials rider. He's in the FBUK Hall of Fame for his trials riding. And he's about to do a massive introduction for us. And you're going to get a lesson from one of the best in the game. Remember, if you see something cool, so please put your hands together, because that was Martin Ashton. And we're going to move on to our second rider here today. Born in Zimbabwe, he's made a name for himself as one of the best dirt jump riders in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Ray Sampson! Woo! There he comes, first jump coming up from Ray. It's the tabletop from Ray Sampson. Guys, should we give him a round of applause? Let's give him a round of applause. That's a boost, those 4 minutes, lads. We're going to move back onto Martin now. Let's see what he's got in store for us. As I said, Martin is a trials rider, very niche style of mountain bike riding. It requires a lot of precision, accuracy. He's going to need to work his hydraulic braking this system. But something the money cannot buy is your support. So let's see if Martin can make his way up to the top. We appreciate the support. Dude, don't give me a round of wallet. Thanks a lot for cheering. As Martin makes his way to the top of the ladder. Trials riding's about not putting your feet down. He hasn't put his feet down yet. His introduction gets bigger and better. Is he going to spin up the ladder? Yes, he is! That was big. Right, Ray, let's continue your introduction. Let's make it bigger and better. Excellent upfront from Ray Sampson. Damn, it's getting big. Right, so that was our riders. But we got someone else to introduce you to here today. He is really making a name for himself as a free runner. Ladies and gentlemen, please big it up for Luke Madigan. Nice back grip from Luke. A couple of people cheering for that. Here we go, we've got a cross grip from Luke. A couple more people cheering. Check this out, I love this move. Coming up, massive moves there from Luke Madigan. He makes it look so easy, ladies and gentlemen. That was Luke Madigan. Right, we're going to move back onto Martin Ashton now. Where is it? I've got an animal wallet here to give out, but Martin is about to do the bunny hop for us. He's done it on the Record Breaker show on TV. He's also done it on Blue Peter, and he's about to do it for us live and direct here at London Excel today. Martin, you've got a generous crowd cheering you on the first jump. But guys, that was easy. We brought the lovely WD-40 twins in to help Martin get it up. We're going to move it even higher, and we're going to see if Martin can clear 90 centimetres. If you laugh, you're dirty, not me. Right, 90 centimetres on the bunny hop. Right, you laugh, Martin. The twins have got a beat going, let's follow him with them. Let's get him over there. Come on guys, I can't hear you, let's get him over there. Woo, you know it. But guys, that wasn't good enough. I think we should make Martin go higher. Should we make him go higher? I can't hear you. Should we make Martin go higher? Yeah! Hey, someone have an animal wallet. Right, Martin's going to go higher. Let me get another goodie to give out. I've got another animal hat to give out for those of you making some noise. Following the twins. We got a beat going. Let's get Martin over there. Is he going to do it? Check this out, 1 meter on the bunny hop. Is he going to make it? Yes! Woo! Right, Ray, you've been watching quite quietly out there, but I reckon you've got something special in your back.